Want to personalize the notices customers see when they violate purchase limits? Here's how to set up custom notices in Min Max Quantities. Go to WooCommerce, Min Max Quantities, and click Translations. You'll see different notice types for various limit violations. There are 3 types of notices. Product limit notices for individual product restrictions. Cart limit notices for overall cart restrictions. And category limit notices for category-wide restrictions. To customize, simply edit the notice text for each limit type. You can also use placeholders to include dynamic values. For example, use min_QTY for minimum quantity, product_name for the product name, or min_cart_total for minimum cart total. These placeholders automatically fill in the relevant information. You can write notices in any language you prefer, so your customers see notices in your chosen language. Once you're done, click Save Changes to apply your custom notices. That's it. Your customers now see personalized branded notices that provide clear guidance. Thanks for watching.